Hey students, in this video, we will study the different characteristics of text wrapping options, not text wrapping options, that you can use with the image that you integrated in your document. So we have different text wrapping options. We have inline with text, we have square, we have type, we have through, we have top and bottom, and lastly behind text. So this text wrapping options, this would really help us insert an image or any other material in our documents, and it would be quite easier for us, especially if the material already exists in our local storage device. So how to use the text wrapping options? So first is we have to open our Microsoft Word, then choose blank document. So let us suppose that we have already searched an information and we just or copy paste it, no? Or assume that you have already typed a text on the document. So we just need to change the font style a little bit and the font size for it to look formal. So in this video, the text here, we are creating a text document file about the countries tourism. So in his video, we are promoting how it is more fun in the Philippines. So we are now going to use the different text wrapping options to make our document presentable and appealing. So first thing to do if we're going to use the different text wrapping options. So first is kailangan ta og picture. First thing to do is go to the insert tab and click on picture. So the click on picture, it inserts pictures that are saved in and from your computer or to other computers that you are connected to. So there will be a dialog box, and the insert picture dialog box will pop up, and you just navigate or search throughout your desktop, and you just click the image file that you want to select. And after you select the image, then click insert or press enter on your keyboard. So the picture is now displayed on your document along with your text. So if you're mag-resize gani ka sa imong photo or sa imong image and you want to make it smaller para dili siya ma-distort, just hold the shift key sa imong keyboard. So remember shift and then move its borders and resize the image. No, i-hold lang ang shift para dili ma-distort ang image, dili siya ma-twist ang shape. So hold shift. So for the different wrapping options and image placements, just right click on the image, then click on the wrap text sub-menu. So there is what we call a flyout, kanina sa kilid, that is what we call a flyout. And in the flyout, you can find the different text wrapping options. So as you have noticed, we have on the flyout, we have inline with text, we have square, we have type, we have through, we have top and bottom, we have behind text, and we have in front of text. So let's first discuss the how to use the inline with text wrapping option. So the first text wrapping option is the inline with text. So how to select the inline with text? You just go to the flyout and click this text wrapping option. So the inline with text, this is a default setting for images that are inserted, or integrated in your document. So pinaka-basic ni si inline with text. So it treats your image like a text from font with the bottom side. It is totally aligned with the text line. So bahalag asa nimo ibutang si image or si picture, mutupong gina siya sa text, no? Or whenever we place the image, it is still in line with the text. Next is the next text wrapping option is the square. So si square, this setting would really allow you the image you inserted to be placed anywhere within the paragraph. So with the text going around the image in a square pattern like umasyag frame, no? So kasan mo siya ibutang, maka-adjust good ang text nga naa sa iyang palibot sa image. So this is most likely used kung sa mga press releases and photo releases as well as yung resume. Pwede dyan po niya magamit ang square. Next is we have the type. So the type is also the same with the square setting, but the difference is the type Coin from the term itself, murag sikit pikit gyud ang text sa image sa tight kumpara sa square. So murag gihug, no? Here the text hugs, or it confirms, no, to the general shape of the image. So this would really allow you to get a more creative effect on your document, and it would really make your document more presentable and formal. So next is through. So among the three, see through is it is quite similar to square and tight, but among the three, see through ang pinaka tightest, no? So as you have noticed, si text siya ang pinakaduol o siya pinakapikit sa image. So it is like gina-contour niya ang shape sa image. So this is also best used with a GIF or a PNG type of image. We have the top and bottom. So this text wrapping option, or this setting, it pushes the text away vertically, no, or to the top and or bottom of the image, so that the image it will occupy a whole text line on its own. So asa din siya ibutang mag-adjust si image, no, be it on top or be it on bottom. Next is we have the behind text. So quite from the term itself, naa siya likod sa imuhang text. So this allows your image to be dragged, and your image can be placed anywhere on your document, but murag naa siya, it creates, no, an effect ng murag float ang mga text in front of it. So it effectively makes your image look like a more of a background sa behind the text. So ang imuhang image masyag background sa imong text. And lastly, we have the in front of text. So this is opposite of the behind the text. So as it suggests, this setting would really allow your image to be right placed on top of the text. So murag imong image was dropped right on it. So murag matabunan ang imuhang text sa in front of text wrapping option. So that means whatever part of the text you place the image on, it will be covered, no, by the image. So the behind text and in front of text, it is recommended nga sa aning text wrapping option, we have to use the PNG, okay, and not the JPEG. Because the PNG file, if we are going to use a text wrapping option behind the text and also with the in front of text, it will really make your document more presentable and formal. So we notice, no, there's a difference between a PNG file and a JPEG file, because in the PNG file, it creates, no, a transparent effect. So dili na siya appear as a background, but it would have, no, will leave a transparent effect on your text. And as also with the in front of text, no, dili siya matabunan kaayo sa in front of text if we are using a PNG file. So I think it is now easier for you to integrate images and external materials, especially you were able to have an idea and skill on how to place your images using the text wrapping options. So as a recap, just choose, no, select an image, then right click that one, and there will be a displayed sub menu. Then you look for a text wrapping options, and after you place, no, your cursor on the text wrapping options, there will be a displayed flyout displaying all the different options. So we have the inline with text, we have the square, we have the tight, through, top and bottom, behind the text, and in front of text.